নমস্কার, আজ আমরা কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স নভেম্বর 2021 নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন, হোয়াট ইজ দ্য নেম অফ দ্য সারফেস টু সারফেস ব্যালিস্টিক মিসাইল রিসেন্টলি টেস্ট ফায়ার্ড বাই ইন্ডিয়া? কারেক্ট অপশন অগ্নি 5। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, অপারেশন রেড রোজ ইজ অ্যান anti-illicit liquor campaign being implemented in which state? কারেক্ট অপশন, কারেক্ট আনসার হবে পাঞ্জাব। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, দ্য স্টেট অফ ক্লাইমেট অ্যাম্বিশন ইজ আ রিপোর্ট রিলিজড বাই হুইচ অর্গানাইজেশন? কারেক্ট আনসার ইউএনডিপি, ইউনাইটেড নেশন ডেভেলপমেন্ট প্রোগ্রাম। নেক্সট, Future Skills Prime is a digital skill development initiative of NASSCOM in association with which ministry? Correct answer, Ministry of Electronics and IT. Next question, India's first indigenously developed long-range bomb LRB has been developed by which organization? Correct answer, DRDO. Next, which organization released the State of Global Climate 2021 report? Correct answer, World Meteorological Organization. Next question, Bhilwadri cattle which was seen in the news was announced as genetically divergent in which state? Correct answer, Kerala. Next, Bestu Boros is the New Year Day celebrated in which state? Correct answer, Gujarat. Next question, which tech giants' services would no longer be accessible from China from November 1st, 2021? Correct answer, Yahoo. Next question, the economy GPS index is released by which organization? Correct answer, PHDCCL. Next question, who and UNICEF have jointly launched a polio vaccination campaign in which country? Very important question. Correct answer, Afghanistan. Next question, what is the rank of India in the inaugural Global Drug Policy Index 2021? Correct answer, 18. Next question, which state celebrates Onake Obabho Jayanti? Onake Obabho Jayanti is celebrated by Karnataka. Next, which country is set to host the first Tribal Nations Summit since 2016? Correct answer, USA. Next question, National Press Day is celebrated every year to commemorate the establishment of which organization? Correct answer, Press Council of India. Next question, what is the position of India in producing footwear and leather garments in the world? Very important questions. Answer: second. India is in second position in producing footwear and leather garments in the world. Next question. Which country is said to host a summit of foreign and development ministers from the G7? Correct answer: UK, United Kingdom. Next question. Which country has decided to release 50 million barrels of oil from its strategic reserves to bring down the oil prices? Very important question. Correct answer: USA, United States of America. Next question. Which country has announced to provide USD 144 million assistance to people of Afghanistan? Correct answer: USA. Next. মুখ্যমন্ত্রী আবাসিয়া ভূ অধিকার যোজনা pertains to which state? Correct answer: Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Which institution convened the Pune Dialogue on National Security PDNS 2021? Correct answer: Pune International Center. Next question. Which country has issued its first passport with an X-gender designation? This is the most important questions. Which country has issued its first passport with an X-gender designation? চারটে অপশন দেওয়া আছে: অস্ট্রেলিয়া, জার্মানি, ইউএসএ না ইন্ডিয়া। এই আনসারটি অবশ্যই তোমরা কমেন্টে জানাবে। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন. Which Indian city is to host the regional security dialogue on Afghanistan? Correct answer: New Delhi. Next. Inti tanager Heliothropis onelli, a recently discovered species, is a dash. This is very important questions. Correct answer: bird. It is the species of bird. Next. Which organization released a report titled Sustainable Urban Cooling Handbook? Correct answer: UNEP. Next question. Khasi Jayantias and Garos are the tribal population of which state? Correct answer: Meghalaya. Next. Bondi Chhor Divas, Day of Liberations, is associated with which religion? Very important question. Correct answer: Sikhism. শিখ ধর্মের সাথে এটা সম্পর্কযুক্ত। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন. হোয়াট ইজ দ্য প্রসেস বাই হুইচ কোরাল রিফস ওভারহিট ডিউরিং হিট ওয়েভস হোয়ার দে লুজ দেয়ার কালার? কারেক্ট আনসার: কোরাল ব্লিচিং। নেক্সট. Wang Yaping is the first astronaut Mahakashchari of which country to walk in space? Very important question. Correct answer: China. Next. What is the new name given to the species of human ancestors who lived in Africa during the Middle Paleistocene? Middle Pleistocene. Correct answer: Homo bodiensis is the name of the species. Next. Which institutions released a report titled The Road from Paris, India's Progress Towards its Climate Pledge? Correct answer. Natural Resources Defense Council. Next, India's first manned ocean mission, Samudrayan, is undertaken by which institution? Correct answer. National Institute of Ocean Technology. Next, and the last question, California condors, which was seen in the news recently, is a dash. Answer, critically endangered bird. ধন্যবাদ।